Alright, we're going to try unboxing this. This was sent to me by TazMan-Kenny. I have no idea what's in here. All I know is it's a box and it has J.K. Saw Shop rocks on it. So I have no idea. I do know he takes it up with some duct tape though. I'll remember that later. I have no idea what's in it. Like I said, looks like right now, what I can see looking down in there, it's got a bunch of packing material, which I can make use of later. I've got a couple saws I have to get sent out. Alright. Okay, the very top of the box, we got a note. It says note. Got a wedge, got JK on it. It says give her the garlic. Freaking right on. I don't know if I want to read this note first or if I want to go through the box first. It's almost like Christmas. I have no idea what's in here. So I guess I'll just go through the note first. Not very good at reading here. Alright, it says, Josh, hey brother, here are a couple things that might help out during your wood cutting adventures. If you feel that they belong somewhere else, use them as giveaways. They are yours now, and hope they will help. Thank you for all your support and friendship. Love you, brother, TazMan. I actually think I read that pretty good. And I'm not a very strong reader at all. This is the first time I've ever actually opened anything up under the carport. Just not in the shop today because it's so damn blame hot. Probably should have done this in the house. Alright, so I have some bubble wrap. There's no freaking way. There is absolutely no freaking way. No. What the crap, man? It's absolutely freaking awesome. And it comes with... I'm going to assume that that's Doug fir. Holy crap, man. Holy crap. There's no way. This is unreal. Absolutely unfreaking real. Alright. What the crap, man? Seriously. This is absolutely freaking awesome. I can actually carry my gas and my oil together in one can now instead of packing around my 2-gallon jugs. Oh man. I've got a 2-gallon gas can that I carry, and I have a gallon of oil that I carry still in the original container. This is gonna freaking be awesome. TazMan, this is amazing. This is absolutely amazing. And buddy, I'm gonna get you back. You just wait. Holy crap. I gotta keep that note. It's gotta go with all the rest of them that I've got. But holy crap. A felon belt. Oh man. I have no idea what to say, but I do know I'm gonna get you back, bud, and I'm gonna get you back good. Man, I appreciate this. I really do.